Hi, good day. So welcome to my um tutorial again. So today I will demo to you the how to import a database to the new SQL Server Management Studio, so SQL Server 21. So open the 21 version, then uh, choose this one, desktop. So simply local DB it means database for MSQL local DB, which can use for RDB. But this one for desktop is connected to the local database. So connect. As you can see, I have imported several database adventure words. So if you see the new grid, so it's update. It's very well enhanced. So right. See, it's very readable when it comes to data reading. It's very light rather than the previous versions. Okay, you import a database. Go to touch restore. So this time I will restore database device art add. So this is my backup database server. A backup SQL Server backup data directory. So sorry for correction. So I use the DTB words. So wait. Mm, mm, oh wait, I will download a new one. Sample. So light. I will let. Okay. So these are data which you can then download sample database. Then copy. Then go to SQL. Copy the directory. Then order. Then paste. Downloads. Copy. Okay. I select version. So cancel. Add again. LT. Then click OK. Once you click where's the backup file of database, then click OK. Then OK. As you can see, it's done. It's successfully um, read and compile the database. Then after that, click OK. Just be sure to automatically check the restore database, the restore in in the grid, in the grid. So click OK. Then it's from database adventure words LT restore data. Then OK. Then refresh. It's now, wala. Reset database. So you can see, select that 100 row. So it means in previous version you will find manually the null when you check the grid, but in this latest version it automatically identified the null by highlighting yellow. So this is a uh, imported database which I restore to the current version of the database. This database it comes from the backup of uh, SQL Server Management 2022. So this is not an actual data. This is sample details from Microsoft. So thank you. If you have violent reaction or any reaction, just email me in jpam to server@hotmail.com. Thank you.